you guys hear me? Yeah. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm gonna go into now this one. I really like this one a lot, just because this one's a little bit more on like the like blushy pink end. Third time's a charm, babe. I know. So this one right here is like a more of a blushy pink color, and I really like this one a lot. So you guys saw Toasty on the other live, which was more of like a darker brown. This one gives you such a like rosy like look to your lips. And then I like to just kind of mix it. I don't like to really lip line a lot for this one because I feel like this one's so pretty. So this one right here is Natural Beauty, you guys, which is a pinkier one. And I know it looks too pink on here, or this looks too dark, but once it's on the lips, a couple slides will be so good. And then now I'm going to go into the gloss, which is in the shade Goddess. Which one do you guys like better? Toasty or this one? Which one do you guys like better? Toasty or Natural Beauty? Let me know which one you guys like better. Toasty or Natural Beauty? Yes, I absolutely both of them. I absolutely love both of them because of you. I have both of them. Making a Christmas list for my hubby. Dude, and the thing is that you guys can afterpay it, you guys. So you guys do not have to pay for it all up front. These are going to be like the best complexion products literally for you. I feel like everyone is on Frankie Rose right now. Like they are like on fire. Like they're hot. Every influencer is using them. You know what I mean? And every person that follows influencers is using it. Like you go around and you ask people what foundation they're using and they're like, Frankie Rose. What brow pencil are you using, or what brow products you're using, and it's Frankie Rose. They both look amazing. Thank you, my love. So again, this is the brow pencil, you guys, and I just love the effect that it gives on your face. So just to give you guys a little rundown of everything that I use, because my lives keep getting cut off, so I pretty much went into the brow pencil, and again, I'm in the shade Deep Brown for the brow pencil. The two lippies that I swatched for you guys were Toasty and Natural Beauty. I love both of them. I highly recommend that you guys get both of them if you guys are gonna shop. Use the primer. I use the Goddess lip gloss. It's available on the website. Their foundation, obviously, their contour palette. I love the eyebrow feather look, dude. It's because, oh my god, it's literally my favorite. And this is my look that you'll find me out with, you guys, because it's very classy. Like, I feel like colored looks are super beautiful as well, but I feel like this is like more of a vibe for, you know, if you're gonna go party, or if you're gonna go like to dinner, or if you're gonna go on a date, or like if you're gonna go anywhere, like you want to look like this, like you want to have like that good face complexion. Rains, can you comment the link down below? So I'm gonna comment the link, that way you guys can follow it. Their brow pencil is fire, dude. Yes. Do you feel better today? Yes. I'm gonna put a little bit more of mascara on my bottom lashes, and then kind of just put my hair down and do something with my hair, and then I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna pick a winner for $100. Which two did you mix? So I didn't mix them, mama. I used Natural Beauty. Thank you, Raina, for commenting it, and I'm gonna pin it. So that's the link for Frankie Rose. If you guys can't click on the link, you guys can definitely you know, just go frankierosecosmetics.com, and it's code Mustbecindy. Highly recommend Truffle, you guys. Oh my god, if you guys have not used Truffle, dude, look at this freaking complexion. Like, it's everything. Message me, I'll help you guys color match and all of that fun stuff, you guys. But if you guys are not Frankie Rose babes, Frankie babes, I'll put you on, girl. I will go as far as color matching y'all, so you guys can try it. And now I'm gonna come into my mascara on my under eye. Just a little touch. Like that. Truffle is not foundation. Truffle is the concealer. And so it's a shade in the concealer. So Truffle is one shade. And it matches literally all skin types. If you're light, if you're a little on the darker side, if you guys are in the medium tone side, if you guys are like caramel tan, like all of those colors, this is perfect because it's like the perfect brown color. Can you color match me for Frankie Rose? Yes. Just send me a message on Instagram on here, and I will literally help you color match. I have 4 extra foundations because I'm always buying your boxes. I love you. Thank you, my love. And see, that's the thing, is that Frankie Rose foundation lasts you that freaking long, you guys. Like it lasts you such a long time. So you're gonna wind up with like your foundation lasting you like 3 months, you know? Truffle is live. Are you doing your hair on this live? I don't know. I'm gonna do something to it. I'm probably just gonna brush it out and just let it air dry, just because I feel like I've also been liking that vibe. I use Truffle on all skin types and blends into the skin. I was watching your live on Facebook. I feel like we're the same skin tone in the foundation. I mean, try it, mama, but if you want me to like confirm for you, just send me a message and I'll help you. Like, don't worry about it. Like, literally just say, hey, you know, I use this foundation. What foundation shade should I be? And I'll help you. Sorry, I took off my toallita. Your lips look so good. It's all Frankie, girl. Trouble for the eyeshadow is bomb. Did anybody go and buy their Frankie Rose right now on this live or on these past 3 freaking lives? Mujer de Dios, ¿cómo estás? Mi mujer de Dios. So pretty. I like the whole look. Yes. So if you guys are wanting to have like this Frankie babe look, just send me a message, girl. That wet look, I know, I love the wet look sometimes. And dude, when it air dries, oh my god, it looks so good. I bought something. Thank you, my love. I should try the color Bear because that one was too dark for me. I just bought a lipstick. I just bought a lipstick and a liner. Thank you, guys. Beautiful, my queen. I love you. You're tiny queen. Dude, it's because I've been gymming like crazy. Like, I've been freaking gymming like crazy. Alright, I'm gonna have you guys comment if you guys bought something. And then also comment. Rains, you pick the purchaser. What concealer do you use? The Frankie Rose one. And then comment B's. Comment B's on this live and I'm gonna pick somebody for $100. Did I spray this side? Oh my god, no, my extension's falling out. That happens, y'all. I'm gonna buy it all. I'm gonna buy all that you use today. Yes, you guys have to. Especially because I feel like I've put on so many of my Mustbe's on Facebook, but not so many of you guys on Instagram. And I want to do these Instagram lives, but no más que sometimes I get really spammed, like bad, and I'm like, ¿qué veras quieren aquí conmigo? You gotta look snatched for that birthday party. Hell yeah, girl. You already know. You're gonna fly out here or what? Okay. And then I just let it air dry. The reason why I do that is so I can kind of just like shake off the brush. You guys catch the vibe. Oh my god, dude, I love this look. It's literally my favorite ever. So again, guys, I did leave the link for Frankie Rose down below. So if you guys do want to shop anything Frankie, all you have to do is just click on the link in my bio. It'll take you straight to their page. And then you guys comment if you guys bought anything Frankie Rose so that I can pick somebody for $150. And I'm gonna pick a Mustbe for $100 cash out paper. I know. They said comment beans. No, comment bees. Bees. Sometimes I get really itchy. ¿Será porque no me lavé el pelo bien? Alright, guys. I'm gonna go ahead. You look so good. Thank you, my love. I love you. Alright, let's go ahead and go with my winner as let's go ahead and go with Bebecita _AZ. Congratulations to Bebecita _ oh wait. Oh my god. Bebecita _AZ. Congratulations to you, my love. And also, if you guys got anything Frankie, comment down below so that I can pick somebody to win as well on there. I feel like the Mustbe comments are flooding. I saw somebody up there, but Bebecita _AZ. Sorry, guys. And then let's go ahead and go with Selena _Delgado 09. Congratulations, my love, to you as well. You are also another winner. So message me to my 2 winners. And then again, if you guys want to grab anything Frankie, the link is in my bio. You guys can use code Mustbecindy. If not, and if you guys need help color matching, just send us a message on IG right now and we will be color matching you guys right now, so you guys can go check out on your Frankie Rose products. I love you, Mustbe's. I'm gonna go eat some carne en su jugo. I will post it for you guys so you guys can see it. My mama made some carne en su jugo. And I'll see you guys later. I love you, Mustbe's. Bye, guys.